realistic and unrealistic squishy. Okay, well, let's see in my squishy box. What is realistic? Ooh, I think this one. So this one is a donut, and it's just like shaded, and I think it's kind of, realistic, so yeah. An unrealistic squishy. Let's see. I don't know. Like, unrealistic. I'm just gonna go with this cat head bun because it's like does not look like a cat. So it's kind of unrealistic. So yeah. Favorite crackling squishy. I do not have a crackling squishy, but I used to have a crackling fat cat, so obviously that would be my favorite because that's all I had. So yeah. Rarest squishy. I don't know how much it says or how much. But I think this is my rarest squishy, and it's not very rare, I don't think. So, and this is the repro version, obviously. Well, not obviously, but if you can tell. It's the repro version. And this is an eye blue peach. And I'll show you the licensing. And yes, there's a lot of defects on this, but I squish it so much, it's like unreal. Favorite character squishy. Okay, let's see. I like, this Capybara-san slipper, and here's the tag. And it's just really cute, and I have a few character squishies, not a lot, and it's really defected and dirty as well. Most unique squishy. I think my most unique, which is kind of like, I don't know, but I'm going to pick this. It's really bad, I know. I made it, but it's kind of unique because I made it, and it's like nothing else that looks exactly like this, and like using the colors. So, sorry for background noise too. Favorite unlicensed squishy. Definitely my football, wait, this is licensed. No, it's licensed. Then my cake roll. Definitely my cake roll from Michael's, and it's super cute. I love it. See, I'm not lying. I'll show you the license. Licensing by Jaru. But this is unlicensed, and I love it, and it's super squishy. Best and worst scented squishy. Best is my peach. And worst, I don't have another smelling squishy, but this came, I got it, I don't remember, but it smelled horrible. It just, favorite squeeze toy? I don't have a squeeze toy, but I do have a fashion, so I guess this could count as a squeeze toy. And it's rainbow. Rainbow Dash. Oh no. I gotta grab it. Why does this always happen to me? But yeah. Squishy with the most unique packaging. I'm going to choose my cake roll. I made the packaging. So, it's kind of unique. And here's the cake roll. It's the same one. Squishy squishy is squishy and hard is squishy. Squishy is this. Again, like this has been in there for ages. And let me find the hardest. This is my hardest squishy. It is so hard. It's so unreal. Yeah, this is like out of all my emoji ones. It's so hard. Most fun to squish. Oh no! Either this one or this one, and I think I'm gonna pick this one because I haven't picked it before. And I squish this a lot. And sorry for my sniffles. I was just outside and it's really cold. Largest squishy and smallest squishy. This is my largest because it's bigger than my peach. Like, see? Well, it's not bigger, but you know what I mean. It's longer. So my biggest and my smallest would be... the Rilakkuma. It used to be an ice cream, but it came off. It started ripping like really bad. But yeah, I have that head. And the last question, which I also know what this is, a family member / friend's favorite squishy. I'm gonna do family member and friend. So my mom's favorite, I'm going to do my mom. My mom's favorite is this, I believe. This is the last I've heard. It's either this or this. I don't remember. I think it's this one though. But yeah, I'll ask her when she comes home. And my best friend's favorite squishy, her name is Lacey Cummings on YouTube here, so you can go check her out. Is this one. She squishes it every time she comes to my house. And it smells amazing, as I already said. But, yeah. That was all the Ketchupgiri squishy tag questions. Thank you, Ketchupgiri, if you see this video, for providing these questions for people to answer. I actually love her channel. She had never given me a shout out or anything. So, yeah, I'm just saying that I love her YouTube channel, so you should go check her out. And, yeah, I hope you guys loved this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!